all products start with the original design. I will show you the design mock-up. Our processes range from printing, embossing, and sandal printing. Different color effects can be presented. You can add colors to the top and bottom, and the colors can be changed. Patterns can also be added to the sides, and the process is the same. We use the printing process to add the text and patterns you want on the soles of your feet. If you like our products, you can check our website. There are more products worth your appreciation.